Ciao amici, welcome to my kitchen. So in these videos that you're about to watch, I'm about to show you and teach you how to make the very delicious Italian tiramisu. Now, the first couple of videos are going to be me showing you step by step what you can do and how you can make the tiramisu. Then I also have a couple of other videos where are just little tips for little differences. So if you want to have a vegan tiramisu, if you want to have a tiramisu without eggs, if you want to have a gluten-free tiramisu. In those videos I will show you not specifically all the steps that you need to do, but I want to tell you what you need to do and how you need to do it. Basically, once you've understood the concept, it's very simple. You can do it on yourself. You don't need me to guide you through it, but you do need some pointers that I'm going to give you during those videos. So I highly encourage you to watch everything at first, so you get an idea what you need and what you're about to do, and then you can watch the video step by step, and we can do it together. Most of the videos I'm teaching you step by step how to do it together. And just as a reminder, get all the things you need beforehand, so that when you're doing it, you're not scrambling for something that you're missing. And remember, the most important thing is to have fun. Cooking, it's something that should be joyful. It's nice, and the end result is going to make you want to do it more. Trust me, you're going to love the tiramisu. It's an amazing dessert. It's simple to make. It's delicious. Everybody likes it. And if somebody doesn't like it, you can find a way to make them like it. Because you can make tiramisu with chocolate. You can make tiramisu with strawberries, with blueberries. You can make tiramisu with a little differences. You can make it your own. So don't be afraid. Once you learn how to do it, once you learn the basics, feel free to explore and use your imagination and do different recipes. Thank you for watching, and let's get ready.